after the cruise experience, I think it's like open my eyes and my ears to try out new things.
You just showed magic today. How did it feel like showing like your work, and how did it feel?
It felt great. It's so fun. Like, it's so good. Like, I tend to do a lot of like mixed shoots, but I don't tend to do very like male dominated shoots where it's all about just standing there.
Yeah.
So it's so interesting to have to think about the outfits on such a large scale and think about what would go together. And I love educating people as well. People that are sort of scared to try something new or scared about clothing and colour and this and that. It's really fun to kind of like show them and kind of like help coach them into be like, okay, like let's try this out. Using the final look, you're like, okay, yeah, I would wear this. I do feel comfortable wearing this. Without the start, you had your hesitations.
When you do modelling, would you go for a shoot style predominantly based on the suits, or would you, as we spoke about it, would it just be try and get yourself out there? What would you fall into?
Depends on the occasion. I'd say suits are just might get too. So for me, it's you didn't have this experience. It's pleasant. That's kind. I've never done anything like this before.
Yeah.
I think it kind of opens a new avenue to try out different styles and different perspectives from streetwear. I take half of my mum, father, they don't have suits or like a smart, very stuff in there. So I take half of that.
With the stylist, that's I want people to see the transformation from the before and after. Now you've seen that, so like it's giving you an outlook of how to look at fashion and not just going for the trends. You can see what makes or represents you.